You're really taking her, aren't you? What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing? So we have a very, very sad day today, guys. A very, very sad day. I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? It's already popped.
I didn't know that.
We do have a very sad day. There's a reason why this little kid's here. Right here. And it's not to look at my broken Trans Am. If you guys didn't see the last video, the transmission, it seemed like either the transmission or the clutch or something has gone 100% kaput on the TA, on the Ghost. So we got to tear it apart, see what's going on, and we only have a very short amount of time because I'm supposed to be in BATTLite Motorsports in North Carolina the end of this month, Memorial Day weekend, or the weekend before Memorial Day. And obviously the car's broken, so if the car's broken, I can't run the car. That seems to be a little bit of an issue, and we got to get it fixed. So we got to figure out what's going on with it here. Plus we have a whole bunch of other stuff here at the shop that we need to take care of as well. But as you guys could probably tell from the thumbnail and from the title of this video, it's gonna happen, guys. Leroy Jr. is gone. Leroy Jr. is going to a new home. I've honestly had my fun with Leroy Jr. My buddy over there, right there, he is getting Leroy Jr. I'm a kind of hesitant. I don't know if I should do this. I'm really having second guesses here, buddy.
That's not my problem.
Wow. So yeah, so I really am gonna miss this go-kart. As you guys know, I bought this go-kart down in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Camaro Fest like 3 years ago. And I've literally been running the piss out of this thing ever since I've owned it. We ended up blowing the original 196 engine up on nitrous. We ended up running E85 in it. We ended up running methanol fuel in it, race fuel in it, all kinds of stuff. After the 196 blew up, we put a 210 Predator engine in, and that's what we ran, you know, compressed air on. We used this Craftsman compressed 150 PSI compressor to run through this thing. We ran, like I said, E85, even though it says do not run E85 in this go-kart. And we ran methanol, straight methanol in this go-kart, and now it has race fuel in it. And it has been sitting in the shop for months and months and months with nothing done to it. It just sits here, it takes up space. And I figured, he's been bugging me for a long time actually, right, to get this go-kart off of me and drive it around. They own a campground up in Moton area. I've been on the fence about getting rid of it only because I really enjoy it. Like, I really love this go-kart, and I just don't know, guys. Like, this is gonna be a sad day. It's gonna be a sad day. You're taking my love away from me. It's my love. You're taking it away. You don't even care. Unbelievable. So let's see, guys. This is just terrible. This is just terrible. It really is terrible. Let's go out and take one last test drive. I'm going to take Taylor. I'm going to take Taylor for one last test drive in Leroy Jr. with me driving, of course. I'm going to have him hold the camera. What do you think, buddy?
That's okay.
That way he can experience the raw power and the raw torque of Leroy Jr. and all of its force and all of its mightiness. How do you feel about this?
Let's do it.
He don't even know what he's getting into, guys. He don't even know what he's getting into. Let's go. Let's get this thing out of the shop. All right, Leroy Jr.'s outside. I'm going to give you the camera here, buddy. You don't have to hold it.
We don't have to
Just
hold
hop
it.
in, man. We're going to go for a ride. Unbelievable. Okay. All right, you ready for the ride of your life, buddy?
Yes, I am.
All right. Squeeze on in here with me. Woo! Look, tightness. Uh-oh. That's not good. Hi. Why'd you break it?
You broke it.
Do you still want it?
I mean, yeah, if you're gonna give it to me.
Oh my God.
Is this thing not even?
What's that?
Never mind, it's still going.
Oh yeah, it's still on. Yeah, buddy, take it for a spin. Listen, just be careful, it's a little fast. Such a sad day. Such a sad day. Crank that thing. What are you doing? Crank it. It's probably out of fuel. Check the fuel in it. I don't have any fuel here either, so.
That's fine. Ish.
That's not full-ish.
It's almost at the top. See?
Let's get some fuel in there. It's probably because it's race fuel, more than likely. Race fuel is not a good thing. See? It's probably the race fuel. It probably doesn't like the race fuel. It's probably flooding out because there's so much race fuel in it from the last call out. It's carbon deposits. It just needs cleaned out a little bit. It hasn't ran for a while. You know what I mean? She's a nasty pig. She's a nasty little pig. I'm gonna miss her.
Yeah, you will.
I'm definitely gonna miss her. I'll probably never come to the campground ever again.
Even though you only live 5 minutes away.
I'm definitely not ever coming to the campground. You're really taking her, aren't you?
Oh, yes, I am.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a sad day, guys. It's a sad, sad day. You know, put it back in the shop. You don't want it. What the fuck? What are you doing? Not gonna lie, guys, I'm really gonna miss Leroy Jr. But honestly, Leroy Jr. hasn't been used in a while. Time to move on to bigger and better things. Plus now I have this whole nice big space available to do other things, which is great. So I guess they're gonna load Leroy Jr. up in this trailer here. Let's go over here and watch them. Hey, listen, there's no reverse. You gotta back it up. This is a sad day. It's a sad, sad day. Listen, make sure you strap her down, man, all right? You got to strap her down properly. That way she doesn't roll around and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Well, at least it's a GMC toner back home for a new home. That's a good thing. GMCs are probably the best vehicles ever made.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, but, well, Fords are junk, so we all know that. All my fans know that too, so. You gonna shut her off? You just let her eat up the freaking fuel there, buddy. Let the fuel. You can let the fuel run out if you want, and then just shut that red knob there. There you go. Well, just run it. I mean, it'll be fine if you run it, and then when you're ready to put gas in it, just put 93 octane back in it. 93. Yeah, 93 octane, guys. You don't need race fuel. You definitely don't need fucking race fuel in these things. Poor Leroy Jr. You're gonna be able to send me like updated videos of you taking care of Leroy Jr. and stuff?
Yeah, I'll give it a bath once a year.
Once a year? What the fuck? I've never bat this thing. There you go, go back. Unbelievable. Poor Leroy Jr. You better treat her good. Treat him good. Not her. He's a him. This is a him.
Got the license plate on the back?
Yeah, oh yes, definitely. Definitely is keeping the DFR license plate as well. We don't want to, you know, we're going to let you have that, buddy. That's all you. That is definitely all you. And I think you'll appreciate it. And leave it on there just in case you get pulled over by the cops. You have a valid license plate. It's already registered and insured and everything, so you're good to go. Alright guys, there you have it. Leroy Jr. is gone. No more Leroy Jr. Out of the shop, done, over with. Very sad. I might shed a tear. I don't really know yet. I'm kind of confused about the whole situation. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten rid of Leroy Jr. Maybe I should have kept Leroy Jr. I don't know. I just, inside, I just kind of felt like I've made enough of videos, enough of content with Leroy Jr. that it was time to move Leroy Jr. on to somebody else to have fun with and appreciate. And I think I did the right thing by doing that. Hopefully. Yeah, I might have some conflicting feelings, you know, in the next video about it. I might cry a little bit, I don't know. But regardless of that, he's gone. So that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing.